How to check Facebook messages without installing Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can check Facebook messages without installing Messenger. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now there are actually a couple of ways to do this, different for iPhones and different for Android users. For example, if you want to check the Facebook messages on the default Facebook app itself, you can see we have to simply install the Messenger app, which is an external application. But let's say that you do not want to install the Messenger app, where there are a couple of solutions which we can do. The very first thing, this is only for Android users. Instead of using the Messenger, you can simply download the Lite version of Facebook, which means Facebook Lite. So in the search box, you want to simply go ahead and then type in Facebook Lite. I will go ahead and then type in Facebook Lite, as you can see, and instead you can use the alternative Facebook Lite application in order to log into Facebook and check your messages. Facebook Lite does not require you to install external apps such as Messenger. If I go ahead and open it, log into your account, if you want to check the messages, at the very top you can see this messages icon. You could simply tap on it, and over here you'll be able to see a list of all the messages without having to install Messenger. If you wanted, you could also go ahead and generally reply to a specific message. But let's say you're an iPhone user, you don't have that, then well, in that case there is also another solution for you. You can open up your web browser, and instead of going to the default facebook.com URL, you want to type in m.facebook.com. so all you have to do is include the M button which you see at the first, so m.facebook.com, which basically means the mobile version of Facebook, and then hit the go button. Once you hit the go button, you might as well want to log into one of your accounts over here. Tap on the login button, log into your account. It may or may not ask you to verify it. So once you log in, right over here, you'll simply be able to check your messages, as you can see right over here, without having to install Messenger. This also simply works like the Facebook Lite application. And this is basically how you could very easily check Facebook messages without having to install Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.